Hello and welcome to the quick tour for the My Grocery List page. To access the page, you can go to your avatar and click on the My Grocery List option. This page goes hand in hand with the My Meal Plan page, so whatever change you make there will be reflected here instantly. Removing recipes, increasing serving size, swapping meals, whatever, it will be automatically reflected here. Once again, we strongly recommend that you read carefully the important advice and useful tips that we provide here. This is specific to the meal plan that you're subscribed to. So, top of the list, you have the what we call the base recipes. These are sauces or seasonings that are often used in our recipes. So, to to know which recipes of your menu require such base recipes, you can click here on the icon, on the fork and knife icon, and you will see which recipes and when. The quantity is also indicated, so if you have enough left over in your pantry, or if you want to buy rather than prepare this recipe, you can just check the box here, and all ingredients required to prepare this classic vinaigrette are removed automatically from the list below. For each aisle, you have obviously the quantity of the various items, and you again have a fork and knife icon, which you can click on to reveal which recipes in the meal plan use the ingredient and when they are used. In some cases, you'll see a red dot. This is to draw your attention to three specific situations. For example, if we think it's important for you to choose a specific variety or ripeness of the item, we indicate it here. So in this case, a papaya. In order to prepare this recipe, you need a ripe papaya. This is needed. So to draw your attention on that fact, it's not just any papaya, but a ripe one that you need, we have the red dot. Another example is when uh, some ingredient is optional, for example. So an ingredient might be optional throughout or just for some recipes, so we show it to you here. So it's up to you to decide whether to buy it or not in this case. And the third situation for the red dot is when the ingredient that we specify here can be substituted by another ingredient. So for example, here we say that either a tilapia fillet or a turbo fillet can work for this recipe. All right. Now you can also add custom items to your list. For example, you want to buy soap, uh, 12 bars or whatever, and you can specify the item or not. If you do, you will see it in the proper location here. And the icon, you'll notice, is different. So if you click here, you'll see your item that you've added, and you'll be able to edit the quantity and remove it if needed. There's also a notes field, so you can see that you can write whatever you want, and this will be saved for future usage or for when you print it. So this is it. You can watch this video over anytime by clicking on the question mark icon on the top of the page. Enjoy!